Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to take a look for the two-place airplanes, a seat and a shoulder belt. Now, these are in a tan color. We just harvested them off of an airplane, and they're going to be boxed up tonight and shipped out to Oregon for somebody to use in a restoration product. But this is the seat belt and the shoulder strap and all the associated hardware to go on a two-place airplane. That'll be the AA1, the 1A, the 1B, or the 1C. And as you can see, there's the buckles, and you can see some of the lengths I wrote there on the box. We're going to get into all that in just a minute, so stay tuned for some more fun looking at the belts. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, I know these aren't the most exciting topic in the world, but there's some of the additional hardware in a Ziploc bag, so we didn't lose it. But you can see there from the belt, one belt is 22 inches, the other one is 26 inches, and the shoulder belt is 58 inches. Now, when Rich Harrison receives these in Oregon, he's going to take them off, and he's going to ship them off and have them completely re-webbed. They'll be relabeled. They'll check all the other hardware for him, so when he gets back, he'll have a set of seat and shoulder belts to put into his project. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a close-up look. Again, 22 inches, 26 inches, and 58 inches on the lengths of those tan belts. I'm also including all the hardware for Rich, so it's everything out of the airplane. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's what it would take to put shoulder harnesses if you don't have them already in your airplane. We hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying. You're Grumman.